Today is actually my first YouTube video I'm going to be filming with the GoPro. Just kind of giving it a little test run. I need you guys to let me know in the comments below on how the quality looks. But anyway, I was wallet shopping because this wallet I've had for about 4 years now, starting to fall apart on me. So I decided I want to get something new, fresh, and nice. So in the middle of wallet shopping, happened to stumble upon this. I don't know how well that's focusing, but anyway, happened to stumble upon this off-white wallet. So as you can see, it comes with the classic off-white accessory box with the printed logo on the front. Then back here, made in Italy. By the way, I kind of have lost my voice a little bit, but we're gonna wing it anyway. So it just came in the mail today, and honestly really like the look of this wallet. It comes with the little print that a lot of off-white items come on. Inside we got, I guess they got it from whatever this place is, a display card, so here is the authenticity check. Go ahead and scan that QR code, tell you it's legit. And then here is a little accessory card from Off-White, made in Italy. I really hope that this GoPro is focusing like it should, but we move to the back here. We have the Off-White printed logo. Now the quality of the wallet, I will say it's not, I wouldn't say it's soft, but it feels, it feels like it is not like this Guess wallet, which is a lot more softer, and it seems to be thicker. This is a lot more thinner, which I will like. I'm not a big fan of bulky wallets, so I'm hoping with the price I paid that this lasts longer than the Guess wallet did. But yeah, it has slanted card holders. Here's where you'd put your money. Out of all the off-white designs for wallets, I would definitely have to say this is my favorite, because there's some that have like everything is inside. You put your cards on the inside, and then there's like a zipper on the inside, and it just looks kind of weird. But I'm a big fan of this design. It looks nice. It has like a glossy look to it. It's reflective. Overall, I'm pretty happy with the purchase. But yeah, I didn't see anybody online have any videos about this wallet in specifically, so decided why not make a video on it. For if anybody else would want to purchase this wallet, they can go ahead and see how it looks. But anyway, I'll catch you guys in the next video.